The iconic black border Nike Air Max 95 is making a comeback in fall 2025, promising a higher stock release compared to its previous limited drop in April. Originally debuting in 1996, the design was one of the earliest colorways of the Air Max 95, though it was later overshadowed by the more popular grayscale gradient styles. Officially dressed in white, deep emerald, and black, the sneaker now features Hyper Jade in place of deep emerald, a subtle update aligning with Nike's recent 2.0 revamps of classic models. The pitch black overlays and Seattle Mariners-inspired green touches remain intact, including hits on the tongue and heel swooshes. The return of the seam-donning Big Bubble Air unit at the heel ensures faithful cushioning performance. A side-by-side comparison with the 1996 and 2004 editions will highlight these updates. With its nature-inspired aesthetic and close to OG form, the reissue offers nostalgia for longtime fans and intrigue for new collectors.